Welcome aboard Wild Goose Adventures. Today we're at the State Wing Foiling Wave Championships. We're going to have a lot of fun down here at Moffat's Beach, checking out all the good people and how well they're riding. They're looking for big air and looking at being radical. So let's sheet on and see how they go. As the crowds gathered, it marked an occasion where, thanks to Kiteboarding Australia, foilers could get together from all around Queensland. So I've been roped into judging. Gary here, excellent foiler, and he's going to be the other judge to show me what to do.
Bring it on.
Building southerly brought great winging conditions, but along with that came a solid band of rain squalls, which didn't dampen the enthusiasm out on the water, but it sure made judging very difficult. Well, what a day it has been down here. The foiling and the jumping and the turning and the carves have been absolutely fantastic to watch, and a privilege to see and be up close. And because I've been judging and because it was pouring rain, I haven't done any recording, or definitely not the drone. Hopefully we'll be back tomorrow and we'll be able to give it a go then. So let's just wait and see what happens. Well, day 2 of the National Winging Wave Competition is all set to continue. Yesterday we had a whole heap of heats to establish some sort of priority. Today we're getting into it with the seeded players getting a little bit higher, and so they will go through to a final this afternoon. There's no rain today, thank goodness, though there's a little bit of northern breeze, so we're just waiting to see if that abates. Let's sheet on and see what today holds. No one was eliminated in these early rounds, and the quality of rides in the marginal conditions was certainly impressive.
Well, I can't catch your eye, no matter how I try.
Round 2.
Baby, you just look the other way. Well, baby, throw me some rope. I wanna see where this will go. I'm hanging on to every word you say. Oh, baby, I got baggage. Show me a woman that don't and won't drag you down. paint your blue heart red. Oh baby, let me paint your blue heart red.
We're into the second round now. No one was eliminated in the first round, but in all their heats for the second round, this is where we start to mean business. The breeze has kicked in, and it's much better than it was.
Somebody please call the police. Just one drink, I thought I'd be fine. Didn't suspect he'd be on my mind, dude, all night long. If looks could kill, he'd be doing time. Fingerprints at the scene of the crime. Ooh, his and mine. I didn't notice, guess was fate. I didn't notice, sleep was too late. Call the police, somebody stole my heart. Somebody lurking in the dark. Somebody lit a spark inside of me. I turned my back for a minute or two. Found myself in love with you. Oh, what am I gonna do? Somebody please call the police. I'm in too deep, I must confess. I'm too far gone and my heart's a mess. Ooh, a beautiful mess. If this is love, let it be. Lock me up, throw away the key. Ooh, 'cause I'm guilty. I didn't notice, guess was fate. I didn't notice, so it was too late. Call the police, somebody stole my heart. Somebody lurking in the dark. Somebody lit a spark inside of me. I turned my back for a minute or two. Found myself in love with you. Oh, what am I gonna do? Somebody please call the police. Somebody call the police. Somebody
supporting the event again. My name's Jared, I'm the president of Kiteboarding Queensland, and just want to thank the organisers, Mike Walker, for helping me out, and obviously some of the wingers as well, helped, like Kieran and Matt helped with some of the safety. Matt Havlin from the Lifesavers helped me out with the first aid kits and everything, so thanks for everyone for helping out, and as well for organising everyone. It was good, you know, it's a group effort by everyone to make this happen, so really thanks to everyone for coming down and supporting it. Thanks to the sponsors. Cloud9 is our major sponsor this year, so thanks to Carl, Cloud9 for putting up a wing. That's like a huge prize, so big thanks to Cloud9. Darren for bringing it up. The legends first, so we only had one legend, and that was Klaus.
Hey! 55-year-old legend.
The legend evolved. Now it's official, he's a legend. Next we're going to do the women, which was one woman who was shredded this year. She was also really ripping up yesterday in the kite surfing contest. She won the kite surfing contest as well, so that's 2 for 2. That's Anya.
Yeah.
Thanks, Anya. This was Darren.
I didn't hear a boy come up. Yeah. Turn the hearing aid up.
Third place was Kieran. Second place was Trent. And third place was Mark.
Yeah.
Here's the kicker.
We might leave it there, but thanks to Kiteboarding Australia and the Epic Queensland Foilers for putting on a great show. Please hit the like button if you found this useful. Subscribe if you want to see more, that would be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.